We'll notice that after we go through picking our resources and our difficulty settings, we do have to select a perk. Each perk gives you some extra bonuses, and the polymath perk is actually a double perk, but there's also a penalty. It says this reduces, unfortunately you're also unpopular, this reduces purpose morale in your colony by 10. So there is an actual negative if you pick this one here. And this one actually isn't unlocked from the start. You have to do some of the missions or the campaign. So we're going to go ahead and pick the farmer. Let's go ahead and look at the UI and a typical game. And starting over here on the left, we've got our speed controls, and then we've got overlay modes, your air quality, of course your crime, your happiness, your resources, which actually you can see better in this view, and electricity, resources, food. And then we've got our control panel for the colony. And these actually pop out. So, for example, quinoa. If you wanted to keep a watch on how much quinoa you've got, just bring it over here on the side. Or, for example, how much water you got going on. And just go ahead and move these around. And there you can keep track of various resources as you play the game. Here's our trade screen, and this actually comes later. You do have to have a trade hub. I believe it said that, yes. Build a trade hub. And then we've got our overview world map, which there are expeditions which can be carried out also later in the game. Continuing on, basic element, here our tunnel, residential structures, all the way up to the colony terminal, our ships, vehicles, immigration, here's the trade hub, our electricity structures, solar panels, here's our drones, and our police drone hubs, here's our plasma turret and our lightning tower for our defense, farming structures and their tiers. There's a greenhouse. And our mining. Different tiers for our mines. We've got our basic mine, and then we've got laser mines, and we've got the nanite processors. Then our water extraction structures, water treatment. Here's our air management, intake fans, and there's different tiers, air filters, our artifact containment unit, research center, enhancer, dispensary, bar and grill, retail centers, and then our crystal. These are more cosmetic, but it does actually boost the morale. Our big park, it's quite large compared to one of these. And then our mega structures, which we haven't unlocked. Stadium, space elevator. And then we've got notifications, which we don't have right now, and hide notifications. And then down at the bottom, we can see our food. This is just a general overall number. And then our water, our storage, capacity, air quality level, population, nanites, very important for building, and our electricity. So that's a basic overall user interface look at Aven Colony.